Okay, this is the AP Bio respiration setup. So the first thing you have to do setting it up is you have to take home the dried peas over the weekend, or at least 2 nights. First you submerge them for like 24 to 46 hours until you see kind of splitting up, and then you just keep them damp because you need them to germinate. So you should get a couple of them that have like little, sprouts going on there, and then you just want to leave a damp cloth. Don't put them in a plastic bag or anything because then they start to funkify, okay? And then each group, I set it up in advance, 2 trays, so because otherwise when you move the water around, it's gonna all spill out. They each need 3 of these, which I'm then going to wrap in parafilm so there's no leak when it gets put in to the respirometers. All right, I separated out already. I give them beads. I count them out, 25 dried peas. I put a potassium hydroxide, and I give them some food coloring because otherwise it's gonna just take way too long, and by the time they read it, they don't get it right anyway. So you wanna make sure that you have that. And the day of, I'll fill all of these up for water in the morning and go get ice for the groups that are gonna be iced and the groups that are not gonna be iced. The other thing that you need to have is goggles, because they're using potassium hydroxide. And then make sure that you also have a supply, I have over here, of both absorbent and non-absorbent cotton. Make sure you have plenty. Non-absorbent is rayon, absorbent is actual cotton. And then I keep this, the boxes are obviously in the storage room, and they say glass peas, beads, and things like that. The trays are kept in the back room, closer to Andy Witcher's room, down on the bottom, and you'll see them back there, and they say AP Bio Respiration Lab, and I wrap them up with tape because otherwise people use them and they mess them up.